What if I told you the biggest financial opportunity of our generation is already here, but it's not where most people are looking? AI is changing the world faster than any technology in human history, and the companies powering this revolution are minting money, data, and influence at an unimaginable scale. But here's the catch. Not all AI stocks are created equal. In this video, I'm sharing my top 5 AI stock picks, not based on hype or short-term headlines, but grounded in economic moats, fundamentals, and long-term potential. This is not just a list, it's your AI investment blueprint. Whether you're building your first portfolio or expanding your positions, this guide is for you. Welcome back to the Investment Diary. Let's get into it. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's an infrastructure shift, like the internet in 1998 or smartphones in 2007. From search engines and cloud computing to drug discovery, chip design, customer support, and cybersecurity, AI is transforming everything. But here's the real edge. The companies building the tools behind AI, like the chips, the models, the infrastructure, the platforms, are the ones raking in the profits. That's why today's video focuses on the 5 companies with the best fundamentals, strongest moats, and strategic positioning to benefit from this wave. No penny stocks, no hype coins, just solid businesses with proven earnings and future-proof strategy. Let's break them down. AI stock number 1, NVIDIA, NVDA. You can't talk about AI without mentioning NVIDIA. They are the picks and shovels of the AI gold rush. They make the chips, specifically GPUs, that every AI company wants. From OpenAI to Meta, Google to Tesla, everyone relies on NVIDIA's hardware. But their real advantage, it's not just the chips. NVIDIA has built a software ecosystem called CUDA that locks in developers and accelerates AI model training. Think of it like Apple's iOS, but for machine learning. That's a huge economic moat. Recent numbers? Revenue from data centers, mostly AI, grew over 400% year over year. Their profit margins are staggering, and they've recently split their stock to make it more accessible. Risks? It's trading at a premium. You're paying around 30 times sales, but with that kind of growth and market leadership, some investors believe it's justified. Bottom line, if you want exposure to the infrastructure layer of AI, NVIDIA is king. AI stock number 2, Microsoft. MSFT. Next up, Microsoft. This isn't just a software company anymore. It's an AI superpower. They've invested billions into OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. In return, they're integrating GPT models into Microsoft 365, Azure, Bing, and GitHub. That means every time someone uses AI in Outlook, Word, or Teams, Microsoft benefits. But that's not all. Azure, their cloud platform, is where most enterprise AI runs today, and that's a big deal. Fundamentally, revenue is growing steadily. Cloud margins are improving. Analysts project $500 billion plus in market cap growth in the next 3 to 5 years. Moat? Microsoft's advantage is its grip on enterprise IT. Once a business runs on Office, Teams, and Azure, it rarely switches. Valuation? Reasonable. It's not cheap, but not outrageously priced either, still considered a core holding by many pros. Bottom line, if you want exposure to enterprise AI adoption and cloud infrastructure, Microsoft is your pick. AI stock number 3, Alphabet GMOL. Alphabet, Google's parent company, is another AI giant hiding in plain sight. Everyone knows Google Search and YouTube, but under the hood, Alphabet is leading the charge in AI research through DeepMind and Google Brain. They recently unified these teams to focus on Gemini, their answer to GPT-4. But here's what makes Alphabet stand out. Its scale and data. Billions of searches per day, billions of hours watched on YouTube. That data fuels its AI models, giving it an edge competitors can't match. Fundamentally, Q1 earnings beat estimates. Operating margins up. Cloud segment, Google Cloud Platform, grew over 28% year over year. Valuation? It's trading at 19 times forward earnings. That's actually below the S&P 500 average. For a company with this kind of AI exposure, it's a steal. Moat. Google's dominance in search and digital ads creates a self-reinforcing loop. Their AI models improve search. Search improves ads. Ads fund more AI. Bottom line, If you want an undervalued AI play with massive data advantages, Alphabet delivers. AI stock number 4, Palantir. Now, let's talk about a more controversial pick, Palantir. Palantir isn't building consumer-facing AI. Instead, it powers the back end of governments, militaries, and Fortune 500s with advanced AI and analytics platforms. Think defense, energy, supply chain optimization, and national security. They're unique because of their deep ties with the US government and NATO allies, contracts that are multi-year and hard to replicate. Fundamentally, free cash flow is strong. Profitability is improving, but valuation is sky-high. Forward PE over 200x. Moat? Narrow, but sticky. Once a large organization builds its data pipelines and workflows around Palantir's platform, switching is expensive and painful. Risks? Volatility. Investor sentiment swings. It's not for everyone. Bottom line, high risk, high reward, best for a small slice of your portfolio if you want asymmetric upside in AI infrastructure. AI stock number 5, Broadcom, AVGO. Last but not least, Broadcom. This one flies under the radar, but it's quietly becoming a major AI infrastructure player. They design custom chips, especially ASICs, for hyperscalers like Google and Meta. These are ultra-efficient chips used for massive AI workloads. AI revenue? Over $4 billion last quarter alone. That's 77% growth year over year. Plus, they've recently acquired VMware, giving them a new moat in enterprise software and cloud infrastructure. Moat? Moderate to wide. Dominates custom silicon, and now with VMware, they have software leverage. Valuation? Not cheap, but not frothy either. Trades around 32 times free cash flow. Bottom line? A solid, diversified AI infrastructure play with both chip and software exposure. Definitely worth a look. Let's recap. NVIDIA, the GPU king, dominates AI hardware and software. Microsoft, enterprise AI powerhouse with OpenAI integration and Azure growth. Alphabet, AI research leader with unmatched data and undervalued stock. Palantir, government and industrial AI platform with high growth potential. Broadcom, quiet AI winner through chips and software, especially ASICs and VMware. These aren't get-rich-quick stocks. They're businesses building the foundation of AI as a utility. If you believe in the AI revolution, these are the companies selling the shovels. And that's exactly where smart investors want to be. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It tells the algorithm this is content worth sharing. And subscribe to the Investment Diary. I publish real, research-backed investment strategies without hype or fluff. Just clear insights to help you build long-term wealth. Drop a comment below. Which of these stocks are in your portfolio, or are you watching right now? Let's build smarter together. See you in the next one.